Hi everyone, it's Dr. Schultz. Just want to give you a quick overview of Module 5, which involves phonology. Okay, so if you look at, when you look at Module 5, you'll see there's a module overview, there's a phonology lecture, and then there's this, which is the video module overview. Okay, the readings required, just to get a background about phonology. Chapter 2 has a small section on phonology, and I left out the page numbers here. I'll go back and I'll put that in there, just in case you're using a Kindle edition. Okay, there are a couple of pretty, well, there's a strong resource here. I have a lecture. Briefly, it's about 15 minutes on some of the key aspects of phonology and what you have to look out for. I know some folks have taken phonology, taken linguistics and covered and or explored the topic of phonology before, so you may or may not have some of the basics of phonology coming in. So we'll look a little bit about what it means for teachers, especially teachers of linguistically diverse students. And then there is there's an assignment, and these are the resources for the assignment here. Okay, let's go over quickly what the assignment directions are. If I open that up, you see that to demonstrate your understanding of phonology, complete the following activities. So your goal is you're going to listen to a girl who's a young student, girl student, about second or third grade. She is in a international school somewhere in Russia. She is a Russian-speaking girl as her first language. So listen carefully to her interaction with her teacher. Listen. After listening, make a column in which you'll record her phonological strengths and what you consider the next steps or her challenges in terms of phonology. Be sure to use professional terminology as you're describing those things. Okay? This is something that teachers of linguistically diverse students do routinely as they're observing. I'm not asking again for you to be a linguist, but I do want you to be able to use a language lens to observe your students and be able to see what they can do right. Always focus on what they can do well, rather, because we want to have a strengths-based approach to teaching. And then think about what are based on your observations, what are the next things you need to work on in your instruction. Okay? And then, for step 3, take the data that you have gathered and think about some potential instructional strategies that might support or target the challenges or next steps that you would want to work on to support the language development of the student. Okay? So this may require you to do some searching on sites such as Colorín Colorado or Dave's ESL Cafe or the Teaching Channel or YouTube or anywhere in the TESOL sites. There's a number of sites that have instructional strategies available in your course textbooks, etc. So I just really want you to connect theory and practice in that part. All right, let me know if you're having any challenges, if anything is confusing, or if you're having any trouble with the course content. I'm here to help you learn. Thanks so much.